Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can crossplay with PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 friends in Skate 4. So what you'll need to do is press the start button right here and go to the social and spectate. And here where it says search, you will need to enter their EA or our platform ID to find or add friends. So that's pretty much it, how you add a friend in Skate 4. And that's basically it. You'll find PlayStation 4 and 5 friends right here. And those friends you invited here, they will find a request from you. So that's pretty much it. Here you'll be able to see the friends and able to invite to a party. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys and see you in the next one.